Hello everyone, I am Partha Pratim Kalita, a KaggleX cohort 4 fellow. Today I am excited to present PolicyLens, a project focuses on leveraging large language models to simplify and make sense of Indian policies and parliamentary debates. Let's dive in. To give you some context about myself, I have a background in food engineering and technology, along with a nano degree in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Professionally, I work as a junior data scientist at iBridge LLC in Bangalore, and my passion lies in using advanced AI technologies to address real world challenges, including enhancing democratic engagement through AI solutions. Now, moving on to the problem, India has over 790 members of parliament who collectively contribute to thousands of hours of debates every year. However, the sheer complexity and volumes of these discussions often alienate the general public. Many Indians struggle to understand how these policies impact their daily lives, leading to a significant gap in public engagement with democratic processes. How can we bridge this gap? So, moving to a desirable solution. Enter PolicyLens, a conversational AI-powered chatbot designed to simplify complex legislative discussions. By using advanced large language models, PolicyLens creates concise, clear summaries of parliamentary debates, making these discussions accessible to everyone. This tool is not just about summarizing, it's about empowering citizens to engage meaningfully with democracy. Now, the project definition. Here's how PolicyLens works. The chatbot uses Gamma 2 billion, a large language model fine-tuned on a dataset of Indian parliamentary debates from 2024. We employed advanced techniques like low-rank adaptation (LoRa) to ensure the model is tailored to this domain. Deployment happens on platforms like Kaggle and Hugging Face, making it easily accessible. Now, moving on to the sample dataset from the dataset. Now let's look at the architecture. The project involves multiple components: data preprocessing and indexing, LoRa fine-tuning of the Gamma 2 billion model, and seamless deployment pipelines. Tools like Kaggle, Gradio, and Hugging Face enable efficient implementation, making it a robust and scalable solution. Now, this is a chat sample. Here's a glimpse of PolicyLens in action. The chatbot provides quick, easy to understand answers to complex parliamentary discussions. For instance, a user might ask, what were the key points from last week's debate on the new education policy? PolicyLens will respond with a concise, accurate summary, bridging the gap between policymakers and the public. Now, moving to the next slide, this is the test model with unseen questions. Now, moving on to the technical details, the model we have used is a Gamma 2 billion. Over 500 high quality custom question answers pairs were collected, then created by combining public resources and LLM content about parliamentary debates in 2024, programmatically transformed and cleaned, using data processing and prompt engineering with Gamma and Python to provide jargon-friendly answers on parliamentary debates. The training framework we have used is Keras NLP with JAX. The technique which we have used for fine-tuning is LoRa. Then we have kept the LoRa rig for 4 for limited degree of flexibility, epochs to 12 for balancing pattern learning and avoiding overfitting. We have kept batch size to 1 and weight decay to 0.01 for lower risk of overfitting. Then the chatbot application which is used is Python and Gradio, which is hosted on the Hugging Face basis. Now, moving on to the future directions. Looking ahead, there's so much potential to scale PolicyLens. Incorporating historical parliamentary sessions can provide deeper insights over time. Enhancing the model's indexing techniques will improve performance. Ultimately, the goal is to develop a scalable, fully functional platform that ensures every Indian can access and understand the policies, saving their lives. Now, moving on to the project links. For those interested in exploring more, here are some useful links. You can find the Kaggle notebook detailing the project, the fine-tuned model on the Hugging Face, and the live chatbot demo hosted on the Hugging Face pages. Additionally, the GitHub repository contains the complete code base. Thank you. Thank you all for your time and attention. I would like to acknowledge the KaggleX Code4 community for their support and throughout this project. If you have any questions or feedback, I'd be happy to discuss them. Thank you.